Today we're going to repair the Samsung Galaxy J7 Core LCD. Let's get started. Remove the back cover and the battery. Remove the LCD connector cover. Disconnect the LCD flex connector. Heat up the broken LCD to soften the adhesive. Remove the LCD using a prying tool. Clean the LCD frame thoroughly. Place the adhesive on the LCD frame contacts. Attach the new LCD screen in place. Place the home button properly. Attach the new LCD screen in place. Attach the LCD flex cable properly. Attach the battery in place. Place the LCD flex cable cover properly. Attach the back cover in place. Turn on the phone. The LCD replacement is successfully done.
Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.